Good cake. Good cake. Cupcake. Mmm. Is it good?
You gonna eat it? Mmm. Cupcake. Yeah,
You
Mommy
got,
has one.
Poppy got one. Yeah, Poppy got one.
Where's Milla's?
Where's Milla's cake? Trying to figure out how to eat this thing. Mmm. You're the sweetest little girl I ever saw.
Is it good? Did Miss Jeannie make good cupcakes?
Good. It's a good cupcake.
Good.
Is that how you eat a cupcake? You got it in your nose.
Good. Good. Good.
Cupcake?
You gonna eat that whole cupcake, aren't you? Yeah, you gonna eat that whole cupcake. That cupcake is good to me.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's good, isn't it? Son is right in my video.